Vroom vroom. Welcome everyone to our super cool vehicle challenge today.
I'm ready to race. Let's see if we can spot our big, strong machine friends on the road.
Wait a second. Where did they go? Oh, look at that sneaky cat face. It's a shadow puzzle time. I see the hard-working digger's bucket. Can you point to the screen and help me drag it into place?
Maybe it goes on the roof? No, that's definitely not right. Aha!
Click! That's it! You found the perfect spot for our mighty friend.
3, 2, 1, go!
Keep going, team. Now we need to find the giant wheels for our mighty dump truck. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
Is this a pizza slice? Oh wait, it's a shovel part. You guys are way faster at this than I am.
No.
Fantastic focus. We are matching these silhouettes just like pros. Almost there. Go. They are fully built and ready for action. Great work, everyone.
Boom! Confetti everywhere. You solved it. You're the best puzzle masters ever.
High fives all around. Thanks for building with us today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we're in a sleepy town. But wait, is that a rumble I hear?
Whoa! Boom! Those mighty transport trucks just bumped into each other.
Oh no, they've lost their shape. Can you help me find their silhouettes in the dark? Let's drag these heavy pieces. Where does the big engine go? Point your finger at the screen.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there. Maybe try the other side, buddy.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape matches this wheel? Let's look closely together.
Oh
no! Click! That one locked right in. You're doing an amazing job building these mighty transport vans.
Vroom, vroom, almost done. Can we count the last two pieces? 1, 2, snap.
Amazing! Ta-da! They look brand new and ready for duty. You are a puzzle master. High five, everyone! Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors. Vroom vroom, look at them line up.
Abracadabra! They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Oh, silly.
3,
Wheels belong on the
2,
road. Let's
1,
drag it to the
go!
silhouette down here. Great job! Click! That piece fits perfectly like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us. Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
It is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance. You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Welcome to our big construction adventure. Let's explore this beautiful sunny valley together.
Wow, check out that giant mixer. Is it going to bake a cake, host A?
Haha, not quite. That mixer helps us build strong houses, silly.
Boom, pop. Look at all that colorful confetti showering our hard-working construction crew.
It's puzzle time. Can you help us find the missing parts for our mighty friends?
Think the big shovel goes on the dump
3,
truck. Wait,
2,
no, that's not right, is it?
1, Go!
You're getting closer. The shovel belongs to our strong digger friend. Let's try again. Vroom, vroom. Here is the concrete mixer truck, ready to swirl and pour concrete for us. Watch that digger work. He is scooping up all that dirt to fill the dump truck. So strong.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
It's snowing out there, but our digger friend is using his log grapple to move heavy trees. Amazing!
Excavator log grapple.
Excavator log grapple.
Clang! Bang! They are working so hard at the quarry today. Can you count the trucks with me? 1, 2.
Excavator.
Excavator.
We did it! You are a puzzle superstar! Let's celebrate with fireworks! Pop, pop, hooray! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed mission today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at those heavy-duty machines rolling through the city. Vroom, vroom!
Wait, what's that? A secret mission is starting! Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Oh no! Our mighty truck is missing its cab. Can you help us find the right piece?
I think this tiny cab will fit. Wait, no? Maybe it's this one?
Ready? Go!
Oops, that red cross means it's a mismatch. Try again, friends. Which one fits perfectly?
Oh, God!
Click! It fits! You did it! You super smart puzzle masters! Now, let's gear up this artillery vehicle. Does this big turret belong on top?
Boom! Perfect match. Look at those happy cats dancing to celebrate your victory.
You were incredible today! High fives all around, and we'll see you for the next big challenge. Whoa! Look at that shiny police truck patrolling the neighborhood today, everyone. Hello! Oh no! The brave police squad is missing their gear. Can you help us find the right shadows to fix them?
I think a giant pizza slice goes on the roof. Am I right?
Nice try, silly. We need real police equipment. Let's look for the sirens and wheels instead. Drag that siren piece right up to the top. Click! Perfect placement, team. Meow! Even our cat Fred is helping us spot the hidden parts. You're doing great! Look at them glow! They're almost ready for patrol duty. Sparkle! Sparkle!
The puppies are here to celebrate your amazing puzzle skills.
Everything is lighting up. You've matched every single piece like a pro. Our brave police fleet is finally assembled and ready to zoom off on a mission.
Very nice.
You did it! You're a master puzzle solver! Thanks for playing. See you next time, superstars! Welcome! Explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed building adventure in our mountain playground?
Whoa! Look at all these cool vehicle shapes hiding in the shadows. Are they aliens?
Haha! Not quite! Those are our trusty construction friends waiting to be built. Can you spot the big bucket for our hardworking digger? Point your finger right at it!
I think the digger needs a giant cupcake to work better. Am I right?
What?
Silly! He needs his sturdy metal scoop to move that dirt. Let's drag it over together. Clunk! Vroom vroom! Found the base. Now let's snap that engine right into place. Perfect fit! Our digger is looking strong and ready to build. Great teamwork, everyone! Next up is the mighty dump truck. Can you find his giant wheels? They are super round.
Beep beep! He's ready to carry rocks. You guys are puzzle masters today.
No.
Here comes the kind rescue truck. Does he need a steering wheel or a pizza slice to drive?
Definitely the wheel. Snap! You're moving so fast I can barely keep up.
Last piece race for our heroic fire truck. 3, 2, 1, click! You did it!
Look at them go! They are all shiny and ready for the construction site.
Boom! Fireworks for our master builders! You worked so hard today, and every single vehicle looks amazing!
High fives all around. You're all superstars. See you in the next mission, builders.
Whoa! Buckle up! Puzzle explorers, the engine is roaring to life!
Vroom vroom. Check out these cool monster trucks. Ready for action.
Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 awesome trucks on the track.
Boo! A spooky ghost just popped in to say hello. Did you see him?
Oh no, our trucks turned into shadows, and this little friend is sad. Let's cheer him up. Ha ha! Look, he's laughing now. Great job helping him smile again. Time to be detectives.
3,
Can you point to where the pumpkin truck's tire belongs?
This puzzle is tricky, but I think the blue piece goes right. Here, wait, is that right?
Don't worry. Keep trying. Focus on the shapes. You're doing fantastic. Super sleuths. Almost there. Just one more piece to snap into place. Click. You've got this.
No. Wait. Wait.
Ta-da! You did it! Look at all these fluffy kittens celebrating your victory. You're a puzzle master! Hey everyone! Welcome to our awesome vehicle puzzle challenge. Let's get zooming.
Vroom vroom. Can you spot all three of our speedy motorcycle friends on the road? Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a big yellow bulldozer is rolling by.
That's a hard-working digger, kids. He loves moving dirt to help us build big things. Time for a matching game. We need to find the right parts for our brave police motorcycle silhouettes.
I think the giant tractor wheel goes on the police bike. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer. Which piece actually fits our police friend perfectly? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag the correct piece. 3, 2, 1, go!
Click! That part fits like a glove. Our motorcycle is looking sharp and ready for patrol.
Great focus! Now let's find the missing handlebars for the blue motorcycle. Can you find them? Ting! You did it! Look at all those hearts and confetti, celebrating your amazing puzzle skills!
Boom! You're a total puzzle master. High five, everyone!
You were incredible today! Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Hey there, puzzle explorers! Ready to fix some big machines with us today.
Oh no! Our hardworking digger friend is broken and sad. Can we help him?
Don't worry, little
Why are you
ones.
crying?
We have our robot friend ready to jump into action. to build. Can you point at the
through.
screen and help the robot
Put
find
me
the
down.
tracks? Click!
I think the tracks go on the roof. Am I
Put
doing
me
it right?
down.
Not quite, silly. Tracks go on the bottom to help our digger roll. Vroom!
Put me down.
Now, let's attach that big, strong arm. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Look at him go! You did amazing, team! Let's celebrate with a big high five and a blast of fireworks. Boom!
Hey everyone, get ready. Our hard-working digger friend is rolling in to start the fun.
Vroom vroom! Look at that bright yellow paint shine. It's ready to scoop up some adventure.
Oh no! Where did the pieces go? Everything turned into a shadowy silhouette.
Maybe the digger is playing hide and seek? I bet he's hiding under the couch.
Not quite, silly. We need to find the missing parts to build our strong friend. Point to the bucket. Click! That piece fits perfectly. Now let's find the heavy tracks to help him move. I see a big arm. Can you count the gears with me? 1, 2, 3. Snap it in place.
Almost there. Just one more piece for the cabin. 3, 2, 1. Pop it in!
Ta-da! He is fully assembled and looking strong. Happy New Year, little digger!
You guys are puzzle masters. Let's give a huge round of applause for a job well done.
Welcome, puzzle explorers! Get ready for a tractor-tastic adventure. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, did you see that? Boom! 3 tractors just appeared on the farm.
Wait, where did they go? They turned into silly shadows and funny faces.
I think the tractors are playing hide and seek with us. Let's find them.
Look closely. Can you match the tractor engine to its dark silhouette?
Go!
That's the hardworking digger's bucket. Point your finger at the screen if you see the right spot.
Is this a wheel?
Yes.
No, that's a tractor seat. Let's try fitting it right here. Click.
Amazing.
Oh, that piece doesn't fit there. Let's count how many pieces we have left. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Ting! That wheel fits perfectly. You are doing such a fantastic job. Keep going.
Good job.
Yes, the green tractor is finally complete. Vroom vroom, he's ready to plow the field.
Oh my god!
We did it! All 3 tractors are back together, looking shiny and strong.
No.
Yes! Fireworks for our super puzzle solvers. You're the Tractor Master. See you next time. Vroom vroom. Look at our brave police car friend cruising down the road today. Oh no, a big crash. Our poor little pink friend is so sad. We need to help fix the car. Time for a puzzle challenge. Can you help us find where these pieces belong?
Maybe this square piece goes right here? Whoops, that doesn't fit at all.
Keep trying. Look closely at the shapes. Does that edge match the silhouette? Focus! Focus! Let's rotate it just a little bit more.
I bet it goes in this spot. No? Okay, let's try the other one.
Click yes! We got the main body in. That's a huge step forward.
Who is that visiting our workshop? What a surprising guest.
Wait.
Woof! Even the puppy wants to help us finish our police buddy today. Don't feel sad, little emoji. We are getting so close to the finish line. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Almost there. Just a couple more clicks and we're done.
Meow! Even the kitty thinks we are doing a great job. Look at it glow. Our brave police car is back on duty and ready to roll. You did it, Super Puzzlers! Give yourselves a huge high five for being so smart today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Hi everyone! Welcome to our big building adventure. Look at that shiny purple excavator rolling onto the scene. Vroom, vroom!
Wow, look at all those shadows. Is that a giant robot dinosaur? I think it's a T-Rex.
Haha, not quite. Those are 3 hard-working diggers waiting for their parts. Let's help them get ready for work. Can you spot the missing arm for our yellow digger? Point your finger at the screen if you see it. Click!
I found a piece. It looks like a giant yellow lemon. Wait, that's definitely a shovel bucket, right?
Exactly! That big bucket helps our digger friend move piles of dirt. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3! Everything is coming together perfectly. Look how fast those tracks are spinning. Zoom, zoom! We are almost finished. Grab that last engine cover and pop it into place. Snap!
I'm putting on the wheels now. Watch me go. Watch me go. Are they spinning fast enough?
You are doing such a fantastic job, team. Just a few more bolts to tighten. Almost there. Ta-da! Look at them go! All 3 excavators are ready for the construction site. Boom! Fireworks for everyone.
That was amazing. You guys are master builders. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Superstars.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Today we are matching our favorite heroes, so get ready for some fun. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Can you guess, friends?
I bet it's a giant dinosaur. Am I right?
Not quite silly. It's our pals Doraemons and Sonic. Watch as we slide them into place. Click!
Whoa, look at Sonic and his speedy friends go. This rhythm game is super fast.
Tails and Amy are dancing along perfectly. They made it back to their columns. Give them a big thumbs up for a job well done.
Ahoy there! A pirate ship adventure? Let's see if that yellow monster can help the captain steer.
Surprise! It's Superman flying in to save the day. Zoom!
Oh my God!
Batman and Superman are the ultimate heroic duo. They always know exactly what to do.
Oh no! Nobita is in trouble again! Doraemon, please use your magic gadget to help him out.
You are all puzzle masters.